We'll now begin by going to the Linn County website, linncountyiowa.gov. Hover on Departments and select Planning and Development. In the blue box on the left side, select Building Division. Choose Building Permits and Inspections on the lower left. Under the Apply Online, click on Contractors. You will be notified that you are leaving the Linn County website. Click Proceed to Site. You will now be on BSNA, our online permitting system. On the left side, under Account, click Register. This will take you to create a new account. Create a unique username, fill in your email and password, and confirm. Agree to the terms of service. Check the reCAPTCHA box. And create an account. At this time, you will need to access your email account in a separate email tab. Please find the email sent from BSNA. You may need to check your junk or spam folder. Open the email and click on the link to activate the account. Go back to BSNA site and click on Activate Account. You are required to obtain a web PIN from Planning and Development. Click Contractor Web PIN Request on linncountyiowa.gov. Complete the request and the web PIN will be emailed to you. Be sure to fill in your contractor license number and the type of permit you are applying for. You can also call 319-892-5130 to receive your web PIN over the phone. Once you receive your web PIN, you can start the permit application process. To watch video instructions for permit applications, go back and click on the video titled Contractors Apply for a Permit.